Oh my goodness, everybody, what's up? It's 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and check this out. I'm finally wrapping up another build. This is a huge one. This has been on one of my long-term builds. If you keep hearing me complain about how, oh my god, I have so much work. So this is for a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It is a quad retrofit. Did a full-sized MH1 in the high beam location, the RX 350 with clear lens swap in the low beam location. So we have dual bi-xenon projectors with a stupid amount of light output. I'm running 50 watt ballasts on both setups. We've got a full interior paint job of the OEM color Toyota white. It's called Super White. Clears manufacturing, clear amber deletes. We have the RGB profile DRL kit. RGB demonize on both projectors, and also an amber LED bulb in there. I painted the base white as well just so it kind of blends in, but that's kind of a not big deal. So let's check it out. Let me turn some stuff on so you can see it in action. By providing it power, you can see that it starts up as all white, and then as soon as it connects to the controller, I've got it all on a pink mode right now. Now, this is for Missy's Toyota Tacoma, and it is called Snow White, so I'm sure you've already seen the lens etching on there. I was given free creative control with this build, and so what I wanted to kind of emulate, I guess for lack of a better term, is think crystal castles, which is why I wanted everything just clear and white. And so then the RGB accents would do all of the color rather than doing like paint accents, and I think that look came out really great. It's quite stupendous, I might say. As you can see, I got my 3 channels of control here. So right now I am controlling the DRL, and that is an RGBW, and then when I go over to that guy, I'm controlling the outer demon eye there, and then on the inner one, oh man, so check that out. We're pretty familiar with this technology, but ultimately what you need to understand is that this headlight build is friggin' awesome. What makes quad retrofits inherently difficult is the fact that you have to align both projectors to be the same orientation rotationally wise, left and right, so horizontally, as well as vertically. So I did a really good job at doing that with this one. As you can tell, the MH1 is sitting really far back. I tried to get it as level as possible with the other projector, but that was, well, impossible to say the least. But it looks super great on the backside. Everything is sealed up proper like, and should get no moisture penetration in there. So I'm sure you're saying to yourself, well, let's see that output. All right, give me a second here. 3, 2, 1, power! All right, as you can see, we have an insane amount of light output coming out of this headlight. Oh, check that out. Oh my god, yes. Now, I'm not really a huge fan of the RX 350 beam output pattern, but you know, it is what it is. It's a great fit for these headlights and a great upgrade though. The MH1 has a much crisper cutoff, but what's beautiful is if we look up on that wall, you can see that they're kind of overlaid on each other. You can see that sharp cutoff, which is right there. That is the MH1, and that kind of smoother, rounder cutoff right there, that's actually the RX 350. So when they're paired together, it's an amazing output pattern. Super huge amount of light that's coming out of this thing. The high beam is going to be ridiculous. So that's just super exciting. Anyone else notice how much I overuse the term super? Alright, well, that's pretty much the moral of the story, is that we have an amazing pair of high performance headlights that are going to produce a significant amount of light on the road, giving great nighttime visibility. They look super amazing. They were a ton of work, and they also have a bunch of show quality features. And I'm really excited that once I get these installed on the truck, you're going to be able to see how well they fit with the vehicle, because she's got a lot of work done to that truck, and that should be pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you're curious about this type of build, what kind of products or pricing about it, then feel free to read the information in the description. That's a great place to start. And if you are interested in a build for yourself, by all means, shoot me an email. That is also located in the description. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks so much for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. See ya! This is the story of a headlight that shined a light and blind the whole world. And while she looked so flying, oh so good. Alright, I'm done with that. So check this out. I can't fucking open a video with that. Oh.